Tired of cookie-cutter websites that don't capture your brand's magic? In the next minute and a half, I'll show you how to transform a basic Shopify store into a stunning online experience that attracts customers and drives sales. First, head to Shopify and start your free trial, no commitment needed. Next, choose a domain name that reflects your brand. Shopify makes it easy to find an available option or connect one you already own. Now for the fun part: design. Explore Shopify's theme store and pick a theme that fits your brand aesthetic and product catalog. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use Shopify's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize your theme. Change colors, fonts, add your logo, and create a unique look that screams your brand. Time to showcase your products. Add high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and set your pricing. Engage your audience with a blog. Share valuable content, product updates, and behind-the-scenes stories to build a loyal community. Connect your social media accounts to drive traffic and make it easy for customers to share your products. Finally, optimize your website for search engines by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions to improve your visibility and attract more organic traffic. And that's it. You've built a stunning Shopify website that's ready to attract customers and boost your sales. Now go out there and make some magic.